Nkyere damfo nti onya Ghanafo nyina emwa efiri enne edi ekoyi obi bia wode dwom edi dwuma say hotel, restaurant, nightclub, drinking bar ana sports, banks, mo promote live music, ana we spinning, ana concert bi, dwumadie bia wode obi dwom na edie no. Omeyimra, mechira Copyright Act 690 2005 ene airline no e kire se e wo so kwaji hu tumi efiri Gamro fo nchen. E basa bi kakra bi na wo so wutua. Na onya ho kwan e de dwom no e di dwuma. Wo hwe section 36 ene 37 e wo copyright airline mu a obi bia wode dwom e be di dwuma wanyi Gamro asutire ana wantua e ho sika wo so wutua no. Nipa no afomra na Gamro sesei wo swaiko e wo nipa wode dwum edi dwuma wontua kapreba wo ho enye kikikikiki nemom sebeye na nipa wo swai dwum no e bo ho ka ebetimi anya so mfaso ntia enkratasem eni akwanya efa enwom a wode bedi dwuma no ho nsensem no enye den kra hwehwe Gamro for office
e wo koforidua ye benga painting hall anafre 0244 400 477 ana 0547 536 327
Gamro Yamanyum ayedwuma Gamro yamadwomtofo adi won fifire so mfaso
ewiase mu de onipa tamfo kase pa ene yade amma mene wanse efri yare nanso se bisanyame herbal clinic wo ho a sabe nyina etwotwa bisanyame de duro ekanwa yade ne yera prekope ye tu stroke na se e de amaw hepatitis B ne hawo typhoid stomach ulcer afi arthritis ye tu fibroid na se e de amaw wo so yare ntehyewa pressure udom pemu nyina ye oya no oba ene bema muntumi wo bema obodi mo ewo mpem enso eni bebiem obisanyame herbal clinic wo yade na se betu prekope diabetes ene breast cancer nyina bisanyame herbal clinic ene betu ase kra enam kwan a ye faso se yade enti ebe yede so obi ne yade ba bisanyame herbal clinic a obesan dia kofi you won't feed your wood war, a bit show ni pedue ni mu, ne hu yade potia e ha wo, afi ye wie de yendura, e ye tatahwe no e de account. Your machines be at say quantum analyzer and afi massage machine e be massage your system no amaw. De ma ye dance e wa yare semune se sika kakra bi ekita ubia ye betimi de ahwe e 300 cedis kompo utimi nya yare sabebre enti kokko ne nimpatam nyina mututu mirika embre bisanyame herbal clinic ye we soja total 4 ye ben paka fie na bibie ni afeye wo 0202 047120 bisanyame herbal clinic yes how ya de ama ho ato
crossover all night. 31st December 2022. Yeah, consumer aqua cancer pan. And no just Namon Kobiasia Fanina. Namon Koko can asempan. Matthew 28, verse 19 to 20. And not to found a Shamubi, a Fadiano, all white. It's a woba. Now was Shefita. Now you are from 16th up to 29th January 2023. And also I have fasting and prayers. I have 14 days fasting and prayers. And you may know and the fan now you have air bomb pipe. Samson now watching now you have air bomb pipe. Found Shabubi now be in Shilapa. I can suffer baby and I bet you and Emmanuel Asante and Emmanuel Achempo and Francesco Kofi Amwa and Michael Techi and Paul Siam Reverend Bright Ofori and me Kwakunkruma Africa or Boba Ofori Amafu officiers sorry them and Prophetess Merle in Kaza. Demomti, the main speaker, Reverend Frank Kwasi in Kaza. Or no, and not that, sorry, and Utipra. Now be Yaya fast in the 27th January. I have Friday, I have all night. It's a yabra. Was ya done so? Or that ye never bas. Adumre. Or Shayan.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Costi, you say, yeah. papa deɛ onkwa na obo chale dan so abiam to feel wate you know otumani na wo se kwa.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Yes, I ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, ooh Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history, a beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy.
The Mid-Morning Show.
One thing I beg you do for me. And I say, smile, girl, smile, smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile, hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, girl, I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh my, that she asks me, and this how when me say, a sweet, sweet Chronixx, you figure them, give them the one drop beat on a rhythm. Are you give them bob with a different stepping? Are you give them bolt, nobody can run left him, boy. But see ya, they must see things, say you're out of ideas. You give them art and sweet literature. You're gonna make the world see the better picture. I said, no worry yourself, mama. Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Hey, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I said, smile, yeah, smile, boy. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Never you cry, you're
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Staring at an empty glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. See how when you close your eyes, maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely die. Oh, oh. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Staring at the ceiling in the dark. Same old empty feeling in your heart. Love comes slow and it goes so fast. Oh baby, yeah, you see her when you go to sleep, never to touch and never to keep. Cause you missed her so much and you dive too deep. Oh yes, cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. And you let her go. The sun when it starts to snow.
The Mid-Morning Show.
Only know you love her when you let her go.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
High when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, yeah. Oh, you only need the light when it's burning low. You only miss the sun when it starts to show. You only know you love her when you let her go.
From the wise, don't try to make life on your own.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscalina and I'm tuning into Kwabena Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show.
And my life was in
Have a blessed day.
For among evil forces in which I played,
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
were my chosen way of life.
The Mid-Morning Show.
With God
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
For all of the lives that are taken, they can never be replaced. But still, Jaja chose to remember my face. Though I never lived like he wanted, I'm still mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. God, Father, you rescued me. I've got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, he was the only spark. He was the light at the end of the road. When I was a young boy, growing up in Augustown, we ate from the same pot. We were iron dreams all around. From Gola to Colorado, from Rockers to Jungle Club Tire, Bryce Hill to Dread Heights and River, all around. Yeah. And then the football ground became a battlefield, and my life seemed so surreal. People were falling all around, but Jah helped me to stand my ground. Only Jah could have helped me to stand my ground. Though I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. Cause Father, you rescued me, and I've got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, he was the only spark, the light at the end of the road. Never lived to please him, and never lived like I should. Father, you rescued me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I've lived and I've learned. I've made mistakes along the way. Now I beg for forgiveness each day as I try to pray. So take it from me, son, you can change the world today. And I'm living proof,
Mid-Morning Show.
living proof that crime
Have a
doesn't
blessed
pay.
day.
For I never lived like he wanted, I was mindful of what he taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. Cause Father, He rescued me. And I've got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, He was the only spark, the light at the end of the road. I never lived like He wanted. I was mindful of what He taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees.
Have a blessed day.
Today's a new day.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright.
I'll be honest with you.
I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven like a shower now.
When I think how much better I'm gonna be when this is over,
I smile, even though I hurt. See, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while,
what you do?
I smile.
Come on and
Smile. It's so hard to look up when you've been down. Sure would hate to see you give up now.
God's people.
You look so much better when you smile. So smile.
Now every day ain't gonna be perfect, but it still don't mean today don't have purpose. Come on.
Today's a new day, but there is no sunshine. Nothing but clouds, and it's dark in my heart, and it feels like a cold night.
It ain't easy, but
Today's a new day, but tell me, where are my blue skies?
where is that love, y'all?
Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright.
The truth is,
I almost gave up.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed
that
day.
Holy Ghost power, y'all.
Fell from heaven like a shower down.
Now I know we've been hurt, y'all, but still,
I smile,
come on.
even though I hurt. See, I smile.
Y'all feel that?
I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while,
Still,
I smile.
hallelujah.
Smile. It's so hard to look up when you've been down. Sure would hate to see you give up now.
God's people,
You look so much better when you smile.
let's go.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Can you just smile?
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Whatever you're in right now,
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
and my people say,
You look so much better when you. You look so much better when you. You look so much better when you.
I say,
You look so much better when you.
and while you waiting,
You look so much better when you.
yeah, and while you praying,
You look so much better when you.
look in the mirror,
You look so much better when you.
always remember,
You look so much better when you smile.
Come on.
I almost gave up.
almost
a
gave
power
up.
that I can't
but that
explain.
Holy Ghost power, y'all,
Fell from heaven
came
like a
down from
shower
heaven,
down.
hardships, difficulties,
Right now,
tears, storms, this is what I do,
smile.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
But there is no
Hello,
sunshine.
Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kwesti.
It's dark in my heart, and it feels like a cold night. Today's a new day, but where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright.
I'll be honest with you,
I almost gave up, but a power that I
The
can't
Mid-Morning
explain
Show. Have a blessed
from
day.
heaven like a shower down.
when I think how much better I'm gonna be when this is over,
I smile, even though I hurt. See, I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while,
what you do,
I smile.
come on and
Smile. It's so hard to look up when you've been down. Hate to see you give up now.
God's people,
You look so much better when you smile. So smile.
Right, so there's one person who looks so better when she smiles, and I love her for that. Yeah, I love her when she smiles. I love that pretty smile on her face, and I will always love her for that. And that's my grandma. She looks so better when she smiles. And I hope you also looks better when you smile. So try and smile. Alright, so it's a Thursday, 12th day of the month, January 2023. And of course, back on the radio, 93.3 FM. Good morning to everyone who has actually tuned in to the best radio station. Of course, the best mid-morning show here in the enclaves. Right, so music from Kirk Franklin. He calls this one Smile. Song produced about 13 years ago. I still love this song. Every time I hear this song, it still sounds good, fresh, and new in my ears. Smile. That's right. You look so better when you smile. Shall I bring the song back? I just love this song. Kirk Franklin, Smile.
Nothing but clouds and it's dark in my heart and it feels like a cold night.
The mid-morning show.
Today's a new day. But where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright.
I'll be honest with you.
I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven like a shower now.
When I think how much better I'm gonna be when this is over,
I smile, even though I hurt, see I smile. I know God is working, so I smile, even though I've been here for a while.
what you do?
I smile,
Come on and
smile. It's so hard to look up when you've been down. Sure would hate to see you give up now.
God's people.
You look so much better when you smile, so smile.
Now every day ain't gonna be perfect, but it still don't mean today don't have purpose. Come on.
Today's a new day, but there is no sunshine.
Alright, of course. So today happens to be a new day.
It feels like a cold
Yeah,
night.
I know you fool.
Today's a new day.
Like you're a brand new person and all.
Tell me where am I?
But anyways,
eyes?
a very good morning once again. Ebusiame Mobi Achen,
And the joy
Mobi Akwaba, at about 93.3 of Juma no so good so your friend Jenny Champon Boatin Casmos, so it's my friend Kobina Costi. Right, so many Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, Nana to Pine Hand the first, Mr. Charles, Mr. Billy, Yatanasi, Jebesum, and of course, Councillor's column will come in away. And now today, any councillor be having a discussion on relationship goal for 2023. Since we're starting the year, and of course, since today happens to be the first episode of Councillor's column, he says he wants to tell us about relationship goals for 2023. So stay tuned. Man, come baby, our counselor will join us in the GF. In the meantime, our daily dose of motivations as well. I'm find Chiakesi and Koma Brad David and Koma Pasco Raouf to MP3 to Stagger Obama, Ricardo. To Tanko, Batampa Jonathan, Medici, Koma Tilapia, Kwaku Bonage, Balu Soboy, Pierrot, Brakwam Yokesia, and also to the rest of the taxi drivers. I meant to Mambo Medina, Swagger, Mubedem, Mogana Michi, Chamanope, Afe, and Koma Mr. Urban Fashion, Mr. Chumesi, KNL Fashion, Moachim Abu Abu Heya, Nakupun Shaman no Biakes, Asane, Salum de Gambia, Gladys and Pabian, I said the phone in any back up and off a Berman Quine. Now, SDA Junction, exclusive beauty salon, and Koma Bra Michael Carpenter, or SDA Junction, Papa Pan, and halfway and Koma Mahana of God's Time is the best fashion. Also, SDA Junction, she said, will be a gobe joint account. Halfway, Patty's Golden Scissors, and halfway. I said that beauty salon, our mantra. Genesis Fashion, I want continue. And a Jaji Charities Fashion and a Jam Enterprise. Oh, yeah, a Kameni Junction. A French Science and Coma Efo, oh, yeah, electrician. Oh, yeah, always.
Nothing but clouds and it's dark in my heart and it feels like a cold night.
A French Coma Quality Fashion. to old education, Dido fashion or runabout, and of a plasma detailer. Plasma detailer is what's in it. And I'll pay me badge, man.
I'll be honest with you.
Obidi Atadia Beja Kwame Taylor. Except for Kwame Taylor. Bibi Atadia, I say, I saw me that.
When I think I'm gonna be when this is over.
Kwame Taylor made us upon Atadia so the effort, Meshe. That Meshe be answer, make kind of a make you trade advert TV the Amawani.
What you do?
The buy now who's it? The buy any of the shamans, I see will be Beshu about your friend Kwame Taylor. What pump shirts come upon the baby. Shabo me that Joe. So I need some Yamas why she intimidating come on. That's why I shall my point with income. Why? Maybe I shall more Pama Monkai Shabu so because many Shabuni Yados in the age man about Monkai Shabu Titru. And Mama Kenya Muncho Biambo. Many Shabunqua. Any every if I wait my journey show no Facebook. Hinkai 93.3 of and of a over to me so I join a Kobena Costi or Facebook as well. Young Ghana Commercial Bank, which ya Edna or Ghana Commercial Bank and of a Chimodan Government Hospital, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Nana Joa, more Government Hospital, and a payment church. I'm in a patch of somewhere there. Send a test Papa 0594 841044 0594 841044 a test message and I'll WhatsApp over to me the message so for how come upon Gabriel. Yeah, young crunch has some daily dose of motivations. But in the meantime, I want to tell you that you look better when you smile. Just look in the mirror and smile. Now I'm going to show you. I know pay your pay. That's how feel what them says here. Look into the mirror. Look at yourself into the mirror. I mean, in the mirror and smile. You see, say we a better person. Smile, regardless whatever you are going through. Try and put on some smile. Smile. Yes, Serena. Confirm say sister is an officer. Bra is an officer. I mean, it's a remedy for so many things. So I was smiling. Papa. Taxi driver. Say passenger biashe obufu kra. Try and smile. What do I say? I will once again bring the song back now for your daily dose of motivations and Brad Keck Franklin, and he calls this one Smile. I love it. It's not the guy and said the person that looks better when she smiles is my grandma, and I love her for that. She always put on some beautiful smile.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Today's a new day. But where are my blue skies? Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright.
I'll be honest with you.
I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain fell from heaven like a shower now.
When I think how much better I'm gonna be when this is over.
I smile, even though I hurt, see I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while.
What you do?
I smile.
Come on and
smile. It's so hard to look up when you've been down. Sure would hate to see you give up now.
God's people.
You look so much better when you smile. So smile.
Now every day ain't gonna be perfect, but it still don't mean today don't have purpose. Come on.
Today's a new day, but there is no sunshine. Nothing but clouds and it's dark in my heart and it feels like a cold night.
It ain't easy, but
today's a new day. But tell me, where are my blue skies?
Where is that love, y'all?
Where is the love and the joy that you promised me? Tell me it's alright.
The truth is,
I almost gave up, but a power that I can't explain.
That Holy Ghost power, y'all,
fell from heaven like a shower now.
Now I know we've been hurt, y'all, but still
I smile.
Come on.
Even though I hurt, see I smile.
Y'all feel that?
I know God is working, so I smile. Even though I've been here for a while.
Still
I smile.
Hallelujah.
Smile. It's so hard to look up when you've been down. Sure would hate to see you give up now.
God's people.
You look so much better when you smile.
Let's go.
Smile for me.
Whoa.
for me.
Whatever you're in right now.
Smile for me.
Smile.
Can you just smile for me?
And my people say,
oh, oh, oh. You look so much better when you
And most definitely, you look so much better when you smile. Right, so let's get into our daily dose of motivations. Young Crash has pay, and of course, can see Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, and I'll pay Young Crash as Eddie Bro. Patrol, our messages name it was 0594 841044. 0594 841044. Send me a text and I'm making camera, and also join the live feed on Facebook. That is Ahinkan 93.3 FM, and also on my page as well, Kobina Kosti on Facebook. Yes, let's get interactive on my social media platform. In fact, Facebook. Send your messages, and I'll be more than glad to give you a live mention. Trust me. There's messages here, which I will be reading very soon. But Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Daroma and the young Crash Shas and the bro. I know maybe Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. If I say I for be at our name, in fact, program be that one name, be here photographer, be here be video the amount. Maybe an adoring engagement. In fact, your program be open home near the ceremony be here photographer and as a videographer. Now what to inside our friend Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Our friends from Jumeku, sorry, companies, corporate institutions, some way Lacoste, embroidery there. One call Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Na on board now for BB and Tim cause you come upon for mom. Patch up corner and Tadino Bayama, Lacoste embroidery, Fish Tower embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery. There were Liberty Transport, opposite Kenop Pharmacy. There was 0245 2766638. 0245 2766638. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. What you say? Me patch up pay. Young Crash Semono. We say, don't let the darkness of your past destroy the brightness of your future. Do not let the darkness and you're dead. So don't let the darkness of your past destroy the brightness of your future. Right, my main child share man with Titia. Say, don't let the darkness of your past destroy the brightness of your future. In other words, my child say, Mama, adeɛ bi a esi wɔ brabo mmiri bi etwa mu no. Ɛma adeɛ no ɛnsɛ de da woni mu ba. Now, ebia na woni obi enya issue. Ebia woni obi enya problem. Ebia bibi ankoye nkitahodie bi ankoye woni obi ntem. Ama saa ya wode ne gusu hye wo mu. Epa cho mesre se obeyi saa de na firi mu. Na wa focus on what is ahead of you. Epenfo say the ewoye nim ene dɔɔso nia abone di de yamane ndi ntwem o se bibisa. Enti mema ebufuo bi ana mema yawdie bi mema opportunity do be a crossy some years back adie bi a in fact ema abrabo no ye slow kakra no ema saa de kro no enkata da chi bi a eba so. What you say? Mema esumu bi a eje wa brabo fa emri bi etwem no ensay enije bi a da wonim a eba. Yenem ko for bebre on man, they still hold on to the past. They are still hurt, and Omakatra mo say regardless the nipa ni baby ano, I'll still pay him or her back. Now listen, if you believe in karma, yeah. So what you karma there, sometimes you need to put certain things away. Fatu baby, and let karma deal with the person. What you say? Say because of obinti, an opportunity does be close here. And what trans catcher will say, Esan, dear, Nipa be the year, me, Esan, a dear be assume see the year minted. A quan be a son, my first year chanica back, my first year chanica. Listen, a mad the chrono. Ain't show mu and your yam, my dear be that when you move about that, you know. And then crash us and we see my semi so far. This motivational message is one semi so far. But anyway, dear Kanye can say sometimes I was so with Jabby be the Makama. Karma will surely catch up with whoever who say you hold grudges against. Yeah, that one in the doorso. Yeah, a chebun de Jaina and Chebunko. Yeah, a chebun of Jaina and Chebunko. Not Bibia Betimia Koye come upon the amount there. I just said, I was so jai past, you know. I wouldn't say some nice guys like me. Maybe we are suffering because of what agenda like me call it. Yes, I may divert yourself to family before. But then, I mean, a very true. Wouldn't say, Mamma be bread, ever ma be sound because Sabi, Bema be a bibima, or Baby can say, Mamma Yape. Wouldn't say, yes, or Baby, I catch them say, or do a deal, or palm, mean do beam. Because it may be a chamber, Bema be sure. No, innocent men like me are suffering because of what someone did. I mean, tell whoever is doing that, I'm getting feedback. It is sanity. Me patcho adie bi a twemu mmiri bi a twemu no anasa adie bi obi dia ye office ya I mean whatever it is, leave it. Yeah, concentrate on what is happening right now and focus on your future. Whatever mmiri, I mean that one him na doso. When him that one him. Send your tie bia no great things will come to you. Enyoma kese be ba on chain. Ene de Janessa near a chemuno, so me patcho Janessa. I beg tell him we are getting feedback. Abba. To the Tibian Missile. Na ya preparators are. A patcho Jow messages for to Kobina Costi, our 93.3 FM. I can come. I'm going to show Facebook in Michicha Mogina. Right, so Briferland Hotel is the freshest home away from home hotel in town. Designed for birthday parties, marriage or wedding ceremonies, funeral receptions, and also all social gatherings. A patron of person with me, I'm a mouth filabi. So we are ho and I'll be a free now, be worrying. Baby, I'll be a reception. Baby, I'll be a refreshment. Or because to come upon the amount there. Michelle, Briferland Hotel. I watch him man so. In fact, almost spacious car park. And our environment, you know, very clean and neat. Or how you come upon me, I've been there. My catch was my home last Sunday. I was there. You know, I can attest what I'm saying. Say a hot air papa. Program be amoye biano. I'm fan called Briferland Hotel. Your wall ventilated rooms. To say ho now the neighbor town on nipa now per se. Who hosted no me patch off the called Briferland Hotel. Obenya baby da come upon a Sumbe Jono. There was spacious and secured car park. There was bar and also restaurant. Sunday be a mutual special Ecoso. And our friends Sunday be a pool party. And so Ecoso quality music 24/7. DJs in the Jojai. I'm a born non papa pamo we see a born on Briferland Hotel. I watch a man so behind the Presby School. From 24 was 0551 187 926 and 0507 64 0302 0507 64 0302 0551 187926. Briferland Hotel, quality home away from home. Tibra. Now I check a share. Maybe I will come up behind them out. Right, so 93.3 FM. We're still here. And I'm the young crunch as someone AC. Again, also don't let the darkness of your past destroy the brightness of your future. Don't let the darkness of your past destroy the brightness of your future. Adia bia ayawo ya emri bi etwem no me pacho men san fan hye wo mu biem tugu na focus near that wonim no focus on near eba. Forget about everything. Se office obi na ye wo obi na ye bibi ma bibi to wo enu ntino wo this hard krona show mu na wo di hu ya ba. Me say leave that person. Dynamic karma will surely deal with the person. Right, so 93.3 FM. It's exactly 57 after 10. We're still live on Ahenkan the mid-morning. The best mid-morning, of course. I won't put them hanging out. And that Councillor Edun Buahen will join us now on the Eddie in common. Now, my patron he wants to tell us about relationship goals in this year 2023. I mean for the year 2023. So stay tuned. Maybe I will now you want to get yourself into a relationship. Because this 2023 relationship goals is to stay single. Yes, I know. If you had nipa me and Sanka Chem said, Charlie, this year relationship goals is to stay single and focus much on the money. Last year, we be uncle baby a manager omunina. A manager omunina. And this year, there are no relationship goals for them. They are told they want to focus on money. I don't see it. Yeah, if all right, so Councillor Edun Buahen will be telling us more about relationship goals for the year 2023 in the GF. So stay tuned. Right, record break. But in the meantime, Shabo, are you ready for some good music? Now, for you, and I'm in your messages. Okay, so let me read some couple of messages on Facebook now. I am from proper J. Okay, it's plus one. The Taylor says, I always tune into Ahenkan every day. I'm listening to Kobina Costa. You are always looking good. Okay, so plus one. The Taylor. Charlie, thank you, yeah. Thanks for the compliment. This one says, pick one and it will happen. Hey, what is this? Baby. Voice GH show money sent in 3 fire emojis. Boa for Michael says, good morning, long time boy. Inchuma Christian says, more fire dear. Okay, what's up, man, bro? The block GA says, taxi driver D Black. Inside or down, I'm listening to you live. I greet my mom, Auntie Ajoa, and my lovely girl, Vida. Okay. Margaret Ponsan Ofosu says, more very. Right, so Kwame Pablo also sent in 4 fire emojis, 1 microphone, 1 diamond, and a checked sign. Okay. I appreciate you. Much love, yeah. Hey, my man, Stainless GH, Abuaji of Busumi FM. He also sent in 4 fire emojis. Bro, what's up? Shall we go meet this Saturday? Alright, so 93.3 FM. Let's go for a quick commercial break. Young Combra. Young compare unnatural mineral water Hanibina, your finger, your minimum, yeah. Your coba now for Yatuaso. Can you see a man could be a counselor will join us? Your bus is here.
Quick, Babesha, and a party I'm a coin. I will change Sony at this 7 room. You would have any bottle in the cramming.
Uja. Wait, unnatural me no water. Ah, now tenenka. Unnatural me no water. Ghana hayani yenu. Na oda say so pemude pona. E wo Ghana commercial bank. Car park one mo and the dish no mu pe. E wa bonsafo fro nu. Enu nti so pendu do Saudi ye wo de wedding. Aberdeen tour. Party. Say wo nu mo fie. Anadwuma die bia. Me patch free 0249 680 and a 0500-231-091.
Ah, in so na den and package in so FSA.
And natural mineral water. Aye natural. FDA ajatum say aye.
Now bam peble yo ne nam he ne o sha sra fo atade.
Hey, Obabra me se me ho kra dwure me. Eye suku bi obi di ho dance kire me o. Ene ne asesa me ba ya brobo yi. Se wa twere wasi so hwe ya twere. Na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o.
Hey, na suku be nko ano no.
Eye Great Omega Academy.
Great dien.
Great Omega Academy. Adisuafo ni say yema yen. A na chiri kwan no wo New Tafo SDA School Junction. Epuemantemu he ya.
Sa epuemantem he ya. Number da ben.
Obabra me se suku yi e ba ye enyene. Se wo na ututua so nko ade a wo twero so hwe a utwa. Omoye courses ni bi ti say general art, visual art, business, home economics, general science, and afi technical. Baby a obeda so podie. E mane nyi wadwendwe suku no hostel kese e on mo de amasuafo.
Unia ene fa me ko hono men.
Ewra ji pani kwa kirefo ne number na friend na ji mu nkiremu. E 0243 21 4720 and 0543 90 9502. Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Salute. Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be count.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and dear Renny Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso. Ene nyaruwa kesian kaya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyamwa hyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omo wa nyaruwa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no ennom imbusaba mesa no a emo mo ahoden pintin ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ese omo ho imbusaba mesa ewo kanshi ene o man mu babia ye ton enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbusaba mesa police ni no edrono enkratwe FDA asayase
I swear. Ah, nyamia nim ni krani se bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, mitrima me do. Ah, me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland weekend zibien. Esan say, bia bia o kope as wadu fie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so ye tight. Wo mo nipa mo do. Eni to kra ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Se wo di birthday party. Oh ware. Ana ye na ode wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. Owo car park kesie. Owo baby green grass. Enkwada diagro kama. Na ni punu. Eya kona bi international standard. Udwali ni na kone safa filter mu. Punu su udwali a. Unse yes. Udwali ni pensio. Akona nkasa. Preferland Hotel. Owo adan ya udwo bebre. Asa udwo ni bra. Unya bushani benya baby ada. Na so no kanjimansko no problem. Ebo no sie ku. Enya nunku. So pensa no ma. Awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel. Enyum chetia so abri bia. Enti achum dan man so ene ne potamfo ni na cross for mo she ho. Preferland Hotel bamamo. No ma sem de bia wo. Kwase de bia eye pool party. Esanso e mutual special. Brabe didi na se dwale. Preferland Hotel e wa chimanso. Wudu ani atere achum dan kwa no so na. Presby school na chipe. Fre 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302. Preferland Hotel, Fresisia, Neabama.
I love you. Middle, answer Nadia Fia, Rampao.
Ha, a pint 20 and I'm a fire Shamsano.
And no see a Suprana.
A J.A. Pinding and Call Limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you no quampun our home, me do so to one mono. And your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pines on and answer, what then your men yet to say wine. A ya parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Na a dear bad enough. wura potobidi isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila wohu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eye JA Biny Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won se uhu ana ai enu aso na mede wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die medi adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Biny wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po mu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso omudi ni body say
eye JA Biny and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesia
Ejamomien kana winners a make a difference papa. Now they are fair no there be winners there. See any momo dada. Nemom se there one more to munchine kra. Oba oje form 3 straight. Form 1 ne form 2 nyina so akwanya eda ho. Facilities papa bi biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no eye compulsory.
So person throw was June and none of them. The right place. Eye winners senior high school.
WAEC amomo exam center number. Enu nti omo transfer hwe ne wo suku mu hɔ a atichafo akuku damankasa ɛna ɛkyerɛ wadeɛ ɛno nti ubetwa no one time courses a wɔyɛ no ebi ɛne general arts, pure science, business, home economics ɛna afei agric science.
Winners senior high school egu admission so sesi a ma honya ha ne kɔpa admission ɛma oban
basic afane nso ɔwɔ winners divine academy a wɔgye nkwalaa efiri nursery ekosi JHS3 ɔwɔ boarding ɛde ma nkwalaa mu nyinaa ubehunu winners school complex ɛwɔ nkɔkɔ Sidom restaurant ne opposite paso nakosi school mu hɔ frepani kwankyerɛ for the school no ano ɛwɔ 0244 571927 ɛna afei 0208 193788 Winners School Complex, raising the standard of excellence.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Paris me pay do kawa. Jisa mami. Yes, I did do kawa. Jisa mami. Baby God, and it's also my pyramid. Baby God, and it's also my pyramid. Hey, boy, I'm making see I don't visit Kawa. Girl, matching, me see me shabby do. Still I love you. Oh dear, my papa and cutting me suit. Still I love you. Mommy, baby, me and my dear chimpa, me say. Still I love you. Copy me see a baby in Kawa walk pumudi, me say. Still I love you. Y'all just sit down and me see my son, boy. And see your video, don't so any other. Another pimpin' mama for a crowd where room we are carrying it from. What's up with us and would you? She adore be a tremmy. She adore be a tremmy. Hey boy, she adore be a tremmy. My joa, she adore be a tremmy. Hey boy, Sammy, Usubani only be a this Sammy copy some mammy. Just one, Usubani only be a this Sammy copy some mammy. She adore be a tremmy. Hey boy, she adore be a tremmy. My joa, she adore be a tremmy. Hey boy, she adore be a tremmy. Still I love you. Still I love you. Still I love you.
Esno we say na esno ebo, odo bi yo. Body mommy, Mary, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, midday, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, Mary, Mary, I'm Siati.
Soldier,
Gana my way more for Yanum. I don't know me a boy, I got the memano. Yes, so young to Massim, Narado. And can near Bam, don't know, but yet, one of me back. Obey you more for Ninia don't me a chadia. Sadiano, I am in do. I am in there. Soldier, body mommy, on a Mary, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, midday, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, Mary, body mommy, Mary, Mary, I'm on the set. Body mommy, on a Mary, body mommy, body mommy, body mommy, midday, body mommy, body mommy, body mommy, body mommy.
So day,
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Krusty.
Right, so 93.3 FM. We are still Soja Lafia. Hey. Right, so Zali 21 after 11. unnatural mineral water. Hey, ensure over to me your program. Ensure as a warrior. Over serve you as here. Ensure we engagement. Over serve you as here. Ensure in fact program be a serve you as here. Open with the good fridge man. Kwanda ho. Ensure the packaging you need. Come upon purified. To be to me a baby at to come upon. It contains nutrients. A hold patch up. Pay unnatural mineral water and pay our traffic more and as open swan man. Patch busa unnatural mineral water. A bottled water, nice baby. I will be out to store. Wherever you are, office, about to summer, then compare unnatural mineral water and from bro. Ensure Papa Pan. Open be at Kogana Commercial Bank car park in Opsi to a sign for from on a unnatural mineral water at all. Over to me the phones with Incomo was 0249 680 213 now 0500 231 091 0249 680 213 now 0500 231 091 and natural mineral water. Hey, Papa Pan, we are cruising. After imbus the war mixture into your police in your draw. A boa pomodin. A patchobia, sabe, Yarienja, Yareti to Papa, Yarienti or Juma Samaya Basa, Yarienti surround the power Susan, Yarienti to me, and quite Juma. Me patch up imboost the bar mixture. Bet to Yarea city amount now for asa a boosty immune system no. What him says immune system no amre. And now what any son and I'm mark my Yarea betty me but now we need peduan. And it's a open imbooster. The patch of the boosty immune system no now for a fight against every malfunctions any disease we are. No matter chronic disease, Imbus will help you to get relief of all. After is Imbus, a Yama Sebi, Wamamo Yare, and our Momo Yare. Imbus man can sell by Yare and Sawano. So we are real when you are real, not pay Imbus to be not one nominal fay. Bibiato, come, palm. Mepacho, open church, you move a media. Our friend 0246 208 496 and 054071 0113. Imbus Selbar Mixana. Come up, papa. Unum be that. A patrol tribe is say, after EPM Media College. EPM Media College, a government approved professional training institute, a war in Koko. The patrol on Koko Hotel Junction. The most credible, serious, and professional media school in the Eastern region for the past 7 years and still running. We have our product in every media house in Kwewu and at Titru Eastern region have baby gonna have baby Ubenya EPM Media College products after your highly respected media personalities, our media houses, they will call proper training. So we are when baby are our attachments. In the EPM Media College, so we need in Central Juma home. Say we are Juma newspaper, TV, so radio, so we are photographer, so we are videographer. In fact, bra na your mounted here, your radio courses, your television courses. Your sons were facilities for training, including radio and TV studios. Your TV studio your church here for no fantasy. Your sons were radio studio. They on the fantasy musa. The patch your one coco. Hotel Junction. Fair was 0241 393534. 0241 393534. Classic Ointments. About Classic Ointments. A pure herbal center for our mucophobia products. Classic Ointments a drawer. A boy ye papa because aloe vera a woman and also a very nice fragrance and good smell, and also it has no side effects. A treaty, ringworm, dandruffs, pompo, sabi obia, and crown to the nipidiano home. After so kakaya or bore, beboa now for 2 as a amount pimples. Obia on him say pimples are ginema was so a patch of classic ointment. Classic ointment. Beboana a paper and as a ye pimples be a few when name foot rods and antema pro. Nina Kodo Sonia the Adina classic ointment. The boy day, the patch over to me used to say unku because a huam yepa, a nin cambonibia, and it's a unku sankra with matter classic ointment. With the treaty a year, cacano with the treaty pompono, with the treaty candidates, teaching a man, not with the beans so sram already any now we did not also come upon Chimadaha when you be at a more for drugstore. Obenya be at the Chiniba drugstore, Kennedy drugstore, and EK a cement drugstore, Old Town. For bulk purchase, now our friend Pedro 0544 791600, now 0500 799 433. Send us on say FDA and Sa Eshe Asie.
Radio so I tasty fi se mi tie kwa na costi e wo Ahenkan FM 93.3 easy.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
So 93.3 FM. Me a corner for you and the council like doing a come on. Yes, and then relationship goals for 2023. Home community. Okay, it's the anyone call for me on Mama Kacho was a child this year. Do Kabaya. See a chill man, see a chill man. Ever fire and fans, why on fire. Na you will move on to the next chapter so na ye hu ne be na dia mama ko counselor pacho akwaba
ya kwabna
pacho bibia boko de
ya me adum bia boko ya wada said I think this is the first Thursday ya di MBBA chat I think topic ni I mean enene ko main kan sa enene fan so dia enene papa yes good
is ye share relationship goals for 2023. Boys baby, what are some of the things that was almost set in their relationship, and also the ladies as well? what are some of the things I will say almost share in this 2023?
Good. Kobna medasi mamini kan chief for na mema chief for na fisher pakesi pa you know say omogoso omuni eguso esum de bia me ameka say yes adisuana na de bia yisuana na especially at the beginning of the year afena shase yes afeno ashase na sene ye call 31st night asofo ni bi gina ni omo I mean a whole lot omo beke kan ni omo pe de ni si wani so afie da wani mi de na pese wo ye sa pepepe yen so afena yen so de aduru so nti ye hwet nyema ben na yen so de si ani so ewo yen penatwim anaya wade mu yes then yen so de si ani so say yen ka 31st bio emra no na yenduru ho kura na kaketekete ana yen sankan ya na ka bibi ketekete a ye de be soso ama yen saka sanyoma na me pese enne no ye hwe ye de ani kire sanyoma ne say a whole lot ye be kan sem bebre otedem a me de minyaya o hwe TV a osin ka me de minyaya nka ma wade ti se nka me mpena twen ti se unya ho hwe a won santumi nka da yes when there is a will there is a way so unya ready a won santumi nka ya na ta ka che hu se osoro boa de oboa no ho yes no kre so unya ready say obeye ho adwuma na form na wafa no form obi dwuma oto ye no so what I say eti kwa na de me pese ye hwe neno eye say den na ye de sie ni so eye 2023 se wo tie mi na se wo mpena twen mu a ana wade mu a enyoma bia na wo ye ne last year amfa nsunsun so pa amre wo no kwan be na ye be fa so e de asikire ato sa anyoma nim na this year mumuno edin nsunsun so pa ana anyoma pa bia brew yes kwamna the first one me person me kan ho asem ne say obi tie mi na owo mpena twen mu ana owa wade mu a ade ba kwa me person odi si ne ni so this year a ebe boa ne kese pa ene say open communication say obetumi edin komo ni say me ka say open communication de me person me chere ne say this year so pese awade no anan mpena twen no a wo twe no ana wade na wo mu no o pese ejabam o pese wo hu ne o pese wo hu a mesre din komo ni enkomo a o pese wo di ne bia ni yi ma bema ni hu ade a o pese wo kire ma oba ni hu enkomo na ni so ma enkomo na ni nye ble debi se wo din komo ni yi being commonly talk to your partner the way you want her to talk to you or you want him to talk to you. This time around, and like you don't put anything just under the carpet like that. Sadie say and I feel say please and please again go ahead and speak to it with your partner. Ye ho adwuma mane hu se ade wei na this year ye ya ebe boayen na hu so wadwen kire ne sen this time around kwabna enye se me na me feel se me na me ye bemanti de me kam ene ne final oboa 31st November na de bia mo wa na mo da so kwabna even before this mamema inwano mamema fadi ento mutrim because e man ye mema na de bia ye make it a move na edge no se kwabna se wo yo ba na this year so wo mpena twem ana opese o kotwem pena ana se wo awadim na se kwabna onni anisuade hunu ema wo ho a sister obebre papa enko bi se enyom ne ebebo ama wo please kwabna hanu mu hia me pa me se yenwano ma no se wo ye wadwene se o twem pena na mpena twen na wo mu ana wade na wo mu se wonni anisuade hu if you don't have any goal if you don't have any objective kwabna awon mpena twen na wo twen mu a I'm just being frank. I'm just telling the young man no free woman. Bema bi antini abo yen said mema. We have every year bia and at any point in our life. Abribia wa yabra bom ye wo ye di bibisi eni so say e betumi achieve. It is say oba mpena twen nim na say onni bibia si wani so no. What I'm expecting is I want to see how deep you are. You are no man in team free me. If I be a man in secret and I no. The man in team me. Omuntie. The man is so pet no catch us the many Jew one. Ane ampa many Jew. If it's a nyoma ba akuminu mi nsembi no di hu ya wo se na ni Jew hu. Na the woman say another woman one can show ne say or show ba deep. And no your marriage material yen ka se be si nyoma wo. Yen ka se be brepta demo, yen ka se be twitwin kuku mu. It is part of it. The antan comfortable be say one a marriage material, one a marriage material ne die. Was say be man ka se wo pen no. Or no so ji two mu no. Or aligning the objectives and answer the goals or the and it's already being who be seen and to say, okay, Sabran TV seen any Jimmy Hoa. Let's say, or per se or limit two and a movie. A year medium and any diamun now, or per se a couple near to Sana Mono. It is a Sadia at Maniswadi who needs to see. Until let me go, let me talk to him about Maniswadi. It is a Maniswadi who no one gin to one now won't to me one I said, on to me Shema and Memudia. Then it means any panel permit. Nipa no ndome nipa no mpese one mbebo bra because me ye bo me abena ye bo me kwaku media di si mani sunie oso hu me no se kwaku me pese me no bo bra kwabena me pese me no bo bra enti se wo so pese one me bo bra na di si mani so no pese wo bo ame na me tumi dru hu na me so me bo na so tumi dru hu na yinwa no ma ne bebre no ye taka se ye to mu wie pe no ma tiada na bi bia yere so mani so. No, it is not even when you have money. But nobody when say because me oba me security, that is all. No. Please bring something on the table. For the be better susu pone so. Then you who say won so sebe adwene da wutrim. Sebe nimdie wutrim. Sebe wo nyansa wo de be boa ayesa empna twen na awade. Kwadon pacho what ma say.
Matias ya pa.
Good. And these are some of the things I am talking about and now we are learning about. So we are bar now relationship more. A man say 2023 so we bar for be ever to punish so. A year I dream when it's what will be for better punish so. Now you am one na ya TV sadian. You do sadian. This time around you am pay the man no. So bar na move it 10 Kofi say you am pay the man no. We don't have time for those things. Time is not on our side. So, per se, a warrior sister, but you who are been a bit faster, bit me a worry. So, back and as the make us say open communication. This is what I'm talking about. The who bar and as a woman plan training more. Be open minded. Mau ana mawojere ana mawopname entiase the line of communication you must say ye be di hun common and fa bibi ensie bia open up enyan tokwa yenka say kokanen tabi open up ma this is what I want us to do jina genche yenwa no mema na ono feel say ono provide bi dia wo fieti no kan kabi tabi. In your remember some this year we have found the stress better because Obeka baby are no bana moody, Obeka baby are no now bana muna because when your white means will be him and 24 said the answer in Nibaku food trip and no credit. Binkumi Gary Nifan, then you found so Gary Binkum. It's a mess for so who hear me at this time around. I feel Yasha here. She said before for us and so I am a boko and son a car no cry to at boko and son a speed at them. This is the time I also could or now is to open up on some of these communications and your mom one relationship no and when I'm a person emotion. But now the second one. The second one I want to talk about is honesty. Honesty they say yes, come now say phone in po boa. So phone air belia. So we phone air belia. Udi mikabako fana. In the negative sense, when I'm pessimistic, said down a bell, I dream about him. About 9, will be friend. I dream about him. This is what I want to talk about. This year, those things must cease. So, would you come here? Sanyoma will be busy. And yes, I may connect and make my patch say, I Obani, the Obani and one, the Bemani and one. Until I say honesty, you should be very honest. Now, I don't person can say Empratry near what they are woman. There's no way obetumi aka chen say yebeyi entokwa si nchen. Ensida day in day out entokwa desi. Day in day out problems beba. Day in day out issues be pop up. But I never come me person say for tia say issues ne pop up. Let's tackle the issue and not the person. Good. Let's tackle the issue, but not the person. How did we handle it? How did you? Oh, you nipa also you nipa. And intina sasamone ebaye. Sasamone ba. Let's leave out insults. Let's leave out assaults. Let's leave out a whole lot of inyoma be emboa. Na yen hwe the issue no. Na yen tackle. Na yen solve it. The issue of our father Bobema ni trim and our father Bobani trim and what dinner tem will it won't bring anything. At the end of the day, Mumi Namoda demo. At the end of the day, Muna Mosamobaware, Muna Mohu, it's sending Biasian at the den at the Beba. We did not want to go in any mass can say whom yet problem na solve. Who is a trim canano? Who is on your baffle problem of original? How did you solve it? Untumi nya de bia manenim untumi nya de bia manenka enka se we die me say me numi ho enti udi di na temna na wo chi no bo na so no ana oba ne fa de be bo tiri na solve problem na na. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I am talking about. If we are saying say you perceive a champion and I want to be whom be and my who feel we concerning some of these things. That this is what maybe I'm a perceive the nature. Say issues never pay. Let's look at the issue. I am what champion and planting issues no and the ever can want them. Leave her out. Stop insulting. Stop abusing her. It is not right. And yeah, papa. These are some of the things I'm a person this year. These are goals that Bema say what to what would be sue and issues, say me yere, say me kunu, say me mpra. These are some of the things I'm a person because our nipa minu ne ware. Our nipa minu ne ware. Definitely there will be issues. And the issues never. How do we solve it? Issues never. Because time before na bano enyoma bebre bisi e hona me pese nipa de na ni kire atiefo otiemia e hona me pese o madwene koso say issues ne boil up so also we are mature so once we are ready so be twempena so also we are ready say obe ware dia e test case mom this year so kasa bibra and issues ba me pacho kamano etum suaye mani nyenye wani suade hunu say this year there ampa say so chene boa me de mentuma be bom yem na mamiyem na ma hwese ne be ye enua na me man so ye ho ahomente. These are some of the things I want us to look at it. So obana enim kasaden, yes, let's know how, let it be your objective. When I say these things and then I make open communications. This year kasatin so who now say emwawa find a way, talk to me nicely. Let's solve the problem. And so say asemana ba bonten mo bia tibi. And any other ba compensate ni partition mani so. Yes. Kabla it boils down to also trust. This year, se wuni trust issues me patcho en plan twen ko enkwatwen. Se wuni say trust issues. Onyi be ma bi ni, onyi oba bi ni. Na de nwa no ma na me ma no. And then you give them a D, and then you give a D. Mr. Don't worry yourself. Mr. Pa and how a champion. So when you say, trust issues, please don't go near because wow. Uku we still time.
BP kana kotama.
If you know you don't have trust in whoever you want to date, whoever you want to courtship, whoever you want to debit, and yet by force. And yet by force. So when you say, oh, the sergeant should remain many obey me, Miss Nana Oquaque day. Why would you need to say, oh, on and Jack day? Oh, in a pie day. Oh, I would need to know when you need to move your day. Oh, try my GD number. Me come now I don't know say dia what them person me chair na sia. What dey na wo yini. Eti wo da be na wo twen say gide be free baby aba na. Eti say wo yini dia ne free mboko. Eti mesre yin no ma na be mani na. E wo nim say wo yini ni a don't go near. Da foforo bi ani baby a gide ne sa beba. But you work through with it. Shia said this time around. And then a meya be mana Jimmy Eddie. And then a meya Ebemane Musa and Pamedono. These are some of the things. When I just wrote something, said the best version of you is the real version of you. The best version of you is the real version of you. So who we are, and I don't know so when himself Kwabna me pekasa. So when himself me bufo ni say love will say netia. Kwabna, you are the best person ever to be with. So who say na what me de me peguani o who sa de na woni ni person no nante. Why? Because why you bold enough to know who you are. Me de konkonsa the whole world you come na me teso. It's one who sa no, then you start working on yourself. Because this time around I know one obo abrabo e you so person obi ba be kan unim say wo de you are a man de sebe wo de yenya ho. It's when you who sa de ne pe na so ko shia baba wa we pe. This is what you have to tell yourself and you know. Say wo na wo be ye wo aduru say my bebre na so we die ma me ma no kredi bi mrem na me ami nye me ho aduru na me hwese bi ye ya ma me enough full stop na si wo baby. But so we ye wo say me die ye can we na that to please you are doing more harm than good. Me say 31st November o sa be set goals for know who you are. Me say na me tie. These are my weaknesses. And then maybe I make say my do's and don'ts na yank of what me dey me time no. When I watch you really know who you are. Maybe me yakwadufo. Eji we yakwadufo then say we kinya move out of that situation. This is what we are talking about. Maybe am not cancel. Obi asem bia me bia meka. Say one way you be no bold we afie no. It is not best. Work on yourself. One way you have to can obi asem ayenka. This is what we are talking about. These are the goals. Masadi we nyewe hiasem. Na hwese no free wa because sanyoma we are making now are the negative. Sanyoma we na egu awade egu pratwe e sanyoma bebre. To me ye wo dru yi a e ma wo eboa wa nkasa. These are some of the things that a person may come once in. Because the next one person may can be kind. You know, man, munti na munti ni. Ya chama dia musu munti. Na mo someone tin na do. Check kwa na nche bia February ne baba ho.
I can feel this.
Aha. Me twen ma me akua ne ma me afia. Ye hwe de o mo de be makwa na. Me twen o mo pa.
Bele kapro if you are akua asem de ben kan amumie no kapre.
Kwa me say jom de baba bia ye betu di ye be mo bia ate. Jom de brew. Ye hwe say ye zero so ye be hu kwan be fa so be kan already so. What I say? Yes. Do Valentine no mu na twen.
Equia de zero in advance. If you need that so
you may say them I Valentine be yes am do for that. Abrand obi ku bi. Same like having an yam crab so. What I say? But on no say ko hampa ko swa fa to kem fa boot. Na fa to kem na fa manani. Adeya e ya do for that. Now, the for that, I said, them and the for that. This is what I'm talking about. Please, this time around, the memane, yeah, and Mammy and Yamurusu. Yeah, when you made it, a training, what any may be a home, a bay death, a city baby. Say, yeah, Tony, a tra. Yes, sir, a share and run in a tiani, a chassis in school. You go so school fees in me, books near the Yanni Eto. You go so to if you do Valentine, no one come also be a baby. No, sir. And then the air come once. Say, oh, what we are not come now, my dear. On your dinner, on your swim, now the dinner, the baby, simply bassa, time. Say, time we may say, so 3 months to watch him and go how. Debbie, and go how no crowd because and for won't do that. Yes, we don't have time. We don't have time. Now, the idea about the person may can say, yes, yen share the love languages of our partners. very, very important. Yes. Bema bia otihubia ewa dia oye manoa na ni sopa. Obebia wo adia oye manoa na ni sopa. Me de pa so. Yes. Maybe this might be my last point, but me chimu yi pa. Me say bema bia woni na twimpne bia no woni ne wa wadi mu no o wadi bia oye mana na ni sopa. Me ba cho en yenyi nansin chen ho de me sremu awiabo yenyi nansin chen enka ho eno nka ho yes me say oba bia wade a woye manoa kwamna me say 24/7 so be ga wa chiri na bibi di chiri it mesre say me can open communication. These are some of the things you have to ask. And then I may yamawa some new tea and commodity ni koso. Tell me tea. You mean say me second na woman who you 1 city. But that 1 city we and then I met me dia yamawa wo wakuma ebe to yam. Obeka tell say nyi sika asem. Menka say ko to bibia mame. But me per se 24/7 text message. The bia sorry anopa. Ka tell me say hello. Bozo to na watawanu. Me love language no. Ono idea that sorry no panu hu with text message say good morning dear, good morning sweetheart, we you know also wonam na wo pesika e dia behwe no menka se menhwe no but ne dia sum woman be me dia ne say kwabena sorry ye no adwuma wo ye ni no ade o pene se wo be sorry na obehu se ene wo ye den sika beba wo nsem kwabena wie so the whole day when you declare no ato no kwabena ne dia no obesore anopa na obehu se maame na tro say good morning me anopa we yenhira me say enne kwabena the whole day we cool we safe. Yes, these are the love languages I am talking about. Obenso dia ne say kwabena say ye 1 city what to fe alewa out of the 1 city now dia man that is the love language kwabena we wie no obi wa na me kan enye sen opiska but enyoma be brewo ho se one ne tede mu no ana one ne wo ho no wasone enkomodie mu no wasone sa de bia opese o touch no usone mu ne die no she wants to be touched, she wants to be loved, not necessarily say trying to make love to her, but yes, these are things that I'm talking about. These are the love languages I am talking about. Yes, so to me yes we now to me fish it out the love language and kasa and I say ope a dear like uyamana a sumbo manwa. What again? But because unye musai no be man unye musai nti mode up and down these are the goals I am talking about. Kwabna ma me fasa de wintwe especially omo ma ware no this year they are modern na wuku emfa wumpi what she fiache please oye oh champion so this year bomodin come I don't know say ye koyan sore ne ye kan sense mu na kire ya o ware na nya no anu no you need to make life out of our day o ware na enu ase me tifete mo every go out and experience the good things in life go ye comment baby hang out to be an baby I said yankwana decent places decent places. You go out there on a date and then have fun. What shefiache, bra? Get the enemy the many ho and the media masorinti and the media it is enough. I am boring. Please, a man be kusadian. I want them and soon in be a sadian. Once a while, it's about the wakacho is a nadia. Sabi ye piakotnaha. Na ye dear home come. Come na boni bene. This is what they do. They go on dates with their wives, vacation, or you are there. Wow, the collection you are there saying so for please this year or baby say even once a year go out. Only we can fresh air. Ma fagini ni wo fiaye ma kwaye dako mpie kotena baby talk about yourself talk about issues. It's a new environment. It brings out a lot of breeze. Come on, new energy. Good ones, of course. It's necessary. If someone not this year went to me, yes, I do. We are please, at least one mount. Nema eja emre bien sujamu yen planchini awadi. Yes. I think these are some of the few things and then you be discussing. Now as time goes on, you need to say kakra na you have to go into details na you boy kakra. I think these are some of the few things that me betuga. Yes.
Right, yes, so yeah, but that was I hope say the rest of the team and also listeners the you who quite best for a fast was spicy relationship this year. Titu very necessary.
Good. Na mene ebi so din komo na numbers say mo fra na bibiri na free phone so. It must say na mene bi ni mu e bon komo. Yes, I know say issues bibiri o brunya mu ni ade bibiri say new year because Brunya Brady, we didn't want to train you any. It's be New Year. I know, say, to me, please just let me know. Nami, when I first why I'm common, send you a shot, then to us because this is a new year and we are here to help ourselves. Yes.
And also, Obi Honma, this happens to be the first time I would tune in to Henkai, and maybe Nippon is very impressed with the presentation. Timesha say, what do number to Ghana Fay on to my Fabi?
Okay, okay. It's the number 0246 272